Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. Today I want to show you a new kit in the January to June mini catalog. It's called the 3 Cheers for You kit. Let's see, can you see that? It's an all-inclusive kit. That means it has everything. And we're just going to, it has Night of Navy spot. It has thank you, hooray, 3 cheers for you, birthday wishes all around. It has instructions. These are the cards. Let's see. Let's get it up a little more. There. So it makes 3 cards. Set of 5 photopolymer stamps, clear stamp. Oh, it's got a block in here, so I don't need my block. 12 card bases, 12 envelopes, die cut accents, Night and Navy classic stamping spot, linen thread, copper adhesive back sequins, Stampin' Dimensionals, and adhesive dots, and designer box. I already have a Night and Navy spot that's open, so I'm not going to open this. I am going to look at my neutrals and get out my Night and Navy spot that's already open. I don't want to keep opening some of these. Yep, that's opened. Okay, so I'll just put this one. Okay, so what else do we have in here? Now let's bring this up. Ooh. Oh, this is the little box. All in this nice little box. Isn't that cute? Oh, and there's the linen thread. There's the Stampin' Dimensionals. There's your adhesive back. So you could use this to store all of these in there. There's your little one. Let me get out my scissors and open this up. And let's make us some cards. Okay, got everything right here. It's in English, Japanese. 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of cards. Oh, 5 different types of cards. So where's the other card? Or no, those are envelopes. No. Well, that's the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different types of cards. There you go. Birthday wishes all around. Thank you, my heart can't stop smiling. 3 cheers for you. And an array for tiny miracles. So here are the card bases. And the envelopes. Ooh, nice sturdy envelopes. Oh, and they're already got decorations inside the envelopes. Here are the die cuts. Here are the labels, more die cuts, more die cut labels, and here are well, I'm going to use my mini glue dots. I don't like these. Well, I like them, but I've got my mini glue dots here. So let's take, this is the first one I grabbed. So let's take this one. We're just going to do it what it says to do. So I am, oops, got 2 of those. Just need 1 of those for this card. So I'm just taking that. I am going to stamp. Where is the thank you? I'm going to put a little, where's my little Versamark on there so it doesn't get all black, all blue from the Night of Navy. And I am going to ink that up. And stamp that. Just like that. Okay, 32 inches of ribbon, so find the end of this sucker. It's always the hard part is finding the end to the ribbon and the linen thread. There I go. So just going to cut that off. And then what it does is I'm going to put a couple of just going to wrap just going to hit the glue dots. And there we go. Okay, so what is it? One stamp, let's see. Steps: 1, stamp in Night of Navy, adhere linen thread using adhesive dots. That's 2. 3, adhere using glue, or 4, adhere using stamping dimensionals. Okay, so we're just going to get some stamping dimensionals out. We're going to put some stamping dimensionals right there. There, and do some stamping dimensionals on here, on the label. And there. And then just put some of the copper sequins on. Well, that ain't going to stick. Just like glue dots, you got to warm them up. That one is not going to come off. I may have to pick your tool. There's one. There's 2.
There's 3.
There you go. Great simple card. That's one of 4 cards you can make with the all-inclusive kit 3 Cheers for You stamp set or card kit. So, thanks for visiting. Oh, remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to know and to purchase you can find below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.